Welcome back to another video. Try and make this quick. I've got some new chilies today. These ones are called Serenade. Never heard of them. Funny enough, I tried the green one. It actually made me sick. First time eating it. Weren't keen on the flavour. It seemed totally different to the Fresnos and jalapenos and stuff like that. I'll have a little bite of a red one maybe today, but there's a couple of cool colours. This green one's going a little bit yellow. I'm kind of scared of the green ones now because it did make me throw up, like kind of quickly as well. So let's go for a little red one. That's a mistake, yeah. These Serenade chilies taste like they're for cooking. They're not for eating raw. Don't like the flavour of them at all. So, I thought I might do this. I'm gonna cook these. I'm gonna grill them in the oven and with some oil and flavour. See if they come out any better. So wish me luck. I will be eating them. Excuse me. I will be eating them, but I'll be eating them cooked. As you can see, I've chopped my chilies up, and they are looking very colourful, very nice. Pop them in the oven and crisp them up. Beautiful stir fry noodles, spring onions and garlic and onion, and then we got some gorgeous grilled chilies too. Bon appetito. So I've cooked them up in some pork fat, actually, some oil, with some sweet peppers. That was a sweet pepper. This is a Serenade chili head, roasted. The colours in there, beautiful. The flavour comes out when you roast them. So I'm really happy I did that. I'm actually eating my dinner right now, which is stir-fry noodles with a homemade kind of oriental sauce on there. And of course, I've paired it with these roasted chilies. What have we got in this sauce? Okay, so it's soy sauce, brown sugar, Worcester sauce, spring onions, brown onion, garlic, ginger, chili flakes. Oh, my word! Forget what else. I added some water and barbecue sauce as well. I think a little bit of ketchup. You know, it's an amalgamation of all kinds of things. Some 5 spice. It's beautiful, sweet, sticky sauce. But it is quite hot. I feel like I've got sauce on my face. And these chilies are really hot, to be honest. Didn't want that to happen, but it did. Tell me about it, mate. Even Rocky's coughing at the fumes. Oh. Okay, that was hot. Well, I don't know if you can tell, it is delicious. I'm enjoying it. Excuse me. Oh my god. It's making me sneeze. It's okay. Oh. Anyway, I haven't got much else to say other than thanks for watching. Tune in for more videos. If you ever do this, be prepared. It'll take your breath away. Oh. Oh, thank God that was a sweet one. See you in the next video.